Project structures and their impact on project performance. Project structures refer to the organizational arrangements that define how roles, responsibilities, authority, and communication flow within a project. Common project structures include functional, matrix, and projectist forms. In a functional structure, project work is carried out within traditional departmental boundaries, meaning authority remains with functional managers. This structure provides technical depth and resource stability but can slow decision-making and reduce cross-functional coordination. In contrast, a projectist structure places the project manager at the center of authority, with dedicated resources and a team focused solely on project outcomes. This structure enhances flexibility, accountability, and responsiveness but may lead to resource duplication across the organization. The matrix structure blends these two models, sharing authority between functional managers and the project manager. While it improves resource utilization and collaboration, it can also create ambiguity and conflict due to shared decision-making. The choice of structure significantly influences leadership style, communication dynamics, and the speed at which decisions are executed. The structure chosen for a project directly affects team cohesion, stakeholder engagement, and the ability to manage complexity. In functional structures, communication tends to follow hierarchical lines, which can result in slow information flow and limited visibility of the overall project vision. This may reduce team members' sense of ownership, as their loyalty often remains with their functional department rather than the project. Projectist structures promote stronger identity, motivation, and collaboration because teams work closely toward a shared objective under unified leadership. However, resource availability can be a challenge if the organization runs multiple projects simultaneously. In matrix structures, communication networks are broader, enabling collaboration across departments, but the need to balance dual reporting relationships requires strong leadership and negotiation skills. Successful performance within any project structure depends on clear expectations, defined authority boundaries, trust between leaders, and transparent communication processes. The structure must be aligned not only with organizational strategy but also with project size, complexity, risk, and the level of innovation required. Project leadership must adapt its approach depending on the structure in place. In functional structures, leaders must invest additional effort to build cross-functional alignment, clarify priorities, and maintain momentum despite slower decision cycles. In matrix structures, leadership requires strong interpersonal and conflict resolution skills to balance competing demands and negotiate resource allocation. Leaders need to clarify decision rights early to avoid confusion or inefficiency. In projectist structures, the leader has greater autonomy and influence but must ensure that processes are coordinated with a wider organization to avoid operating in isolation. Strong leadership can help mitigate structural weaknesses by promoting shared purpose, establishing communication routines, and reinforcing accountability. Choosing the appropriate structure at the outset improves efficiency, reduces risk, and enhances the ability to deliver outcomes. Effective leaders monitor how well the structure supports collaboration, responsiveness, and problem-solving and can recommend adjustments when needed. Ultimately, the relationship between structure and performance is dynamic, and project leadership plays a crucial role in ensuring the structure supports successful delivery.